After the 6 months of internship, I think I become more confident and comfortable.
Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm Miki, and today with me we have Yihang, who already interned with us for 6 months. And welcome, Yihang.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so first question: how would you describe your overall internship experience at Above Creative Events?
Meaningful and also memorable.
Okay.
As this was my first internship, so I think I grow a lot here. And also during my internship, I have been involved in an event as project assistant and 11 event as on-site support.
Wow.
So
okay.
I think
So out of these types of events, which events attracted you the most?
annual dinner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
I think it's very fun because it got a lot of activity during the events. They got like live band performance. You can see a lot of things during the event. So I think it's quite fun.
Were there any tasks or project you found particularly exciting or meaningful?
I would definitely say ASEAN because this is a very large scale event and not everyone has the chance to be involved in this kind of event.
Definitely.
Yeah, so I feel very grateful and exciting to be involved in this event, and it's a very great opportunity for me to see a prime minister and leaders from around the world, and this is really opened my eyes.
Okay. So what one skill you mastered that you never expected to learn during your internship?
Fun communication skill. As an introvert, I feel very shy and awkward when I call someone. But after the 6 months of internship, I think I become more confident and comfortable in calling people.
Wow, great.
Yeah.
So from shy to confidence.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you feel included and valued as a part of the team member?
I think yes, because I was trusted with responsibility and also being treated rather than just an intern. Yeah, I can feel that everyone was really taking their time to guide me and also teach me and let me involved in different kind of tasks, and then I feel very appreciated.
Okay, great one. If you could describe your internship in one word, so what would it be?
I would think will be growth, because throughout these 6 months, I truly feel that myself have been grow a lot in both personally and professionally.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So, any last word before you graduate from a.c.e. internship experience?
Thank you to a.c.e. for all the love and then guidance and all the support throughout my internship. And I feel very grateful for all the opportunity have given to me during my time here. And also a big thanks to the whole project team member, because they really guide me a lot and help me a lot during when I face any problem or challenge. I think I will carry the memories and lesson I have here throughout my whole future career.
Oh my god, I'm so touchy. Congratulations, well done.